To discuss moment of inertia. What is the moment of inertia? Okay, I discuss now. Here Nana, this is applicable only for body in rotatory motion. Body in rotatory motion. Look here, all of you. Moment of inertia means this is applicable when the body is in rotatory motion. The best example is grinding wheel. What is the concept? I explain by using grinding wheel. Grinding wheel is indicate the pindi, rubelana, that grinder. Here Nana, in the grinding wheel, switch on. This grinding wheel is heavily body. That's why it takes more time to start the motion. పిండి అంతా అయిపోయింది నాన్న, మీ ఇడ్లీ ఆర్ దోశ కంప్లీటెడ్ పిండి. ఓకేనా? అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం యువర్ గ్రైండింగ్ వీల్ స్విచ్ ఆఫ్. ఇది ఒకేసారి స్టాప్ అవుతుందా? స్లోలీ స్టాప్ అవుతుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ టేక్స్ మోర్ టైమ్ టు స్టార్ట్. ఇట్ టేక్స్ మోర్ టైమ్ టు స్టాప్. ఇట్ టేక్ మోర్ టైమ్ టు స్టార్ట్. ఇట్ టేక్ more time to stop. Its meaning is Nana, here a body which oppose the change of state. Its meaning is rest nunchi motion ki radaniki oppose, motion nunchi rest ki radaniki oppose. Okay, this is called rotational inertia. What is the rotational inertia? Rotational inertia is a property of the body which oppose change of state. It takes more time rest to motion. It takes more time motion to rest. Another best example is propeller of the helicopter. నానా హెలికాప్టర్ పైన ఒక పెద్ద వీల్ ఉంటుంది, అదే ఈ నానా ఇది ఫ్యాన్ ఉంటుంది. మరి ఇప్పుడు హెలికాప్టర్లో ఒక చీఫ్ మినిస్టరో ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు ఎక్కి వెళ్తుంటారు. అతను ఎక్కగానే హెలికాప్టర్ ఫ్లై అవుతుందా? నో. స్విచ్ చేసిన తర్వాత దట్ ఫ్యాన్ స్లోలీ ఇంక్రీజ్ ద స్పీడ్. సింప్లీ ద ఫ్యాన్ టేక్స్ మోర్ టైమ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ద మోషన్ ఫ్రమ్ రెస్ట్. The fan takes more time to stop. Okay, that means a body which oppose the change of its own state in rotatory motion, this property is called rotational inertia. What is the rotational inertia? a body which opposes changes of its own state. A body which opposes changes of its own state. This property is called rotational inertia. The best example, grinding wheel or flying wheel in the helicopter. It will take more time to start. It will take more time to stop. That means does not change one state to other state. This property is called rotational inertia. This is rotational measured by using one physical quantity. The physical quantity name is I. What is the I, Nana? Moment of inertia. What is the use of moment of inertia? To measure the rotational inertia. What is the rotational inertia? It is a property of body which opposes changes of its own state. Here, what is the use of moment of inertia? Moment of inertia is a property of body which opposes, okay, which always measure rotational inertia. First, I discuss moment of inertia of a particle. Moment of inertia of a particle. Look here, all of it. Moment of inertia of a particle. Moment of inertia of a particle. Look here, all of you. For example, in the chapter, we assume one axis. This is called axis of rotation. The best example, fan, hanging fan. ఫ్యాన్ని ఒక రాడ్తో హ్యాంగ్ చేస్తారు కదా, ఈ ఫ్యాను రాడ్ చుట్టూ ఏమవుతుంది, రొటేట్. మీ నెత్తి మీదే ఉంటుంది ఫ్యాన్, చూడండి. ఫ్యాన్ ఈజ్ హ్యాంగ్స్ బై యూజింగ్ రాడ్. దిస్ ఫ్యాన్ రొటేట్ అబౌట్ దిస్ యాక్సిస్. సింప్లీ రాడ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాక్సిస్. Here I take one particle. This particle mass is m. This is the axis. This is the particle. This particle rotate around the axis. This particle rotate around the axis. In the situation, particle to axis, the perpendicular distance is r. Here what is the r? R is the perpendicular distance between axis to particle. R is the perpendicular distance between particle to axis. Okay, Nana? In the situation, this is called axis. This is the particle. In the chapter, particle rotate around the axis. Particle to axis, what distance is there? R. In the situation, moment of inertia defined as first right formula, mr square. What is the formula for moment of inertia of a particle? Is m is mass of the particle, r is perpendicular distance. R is perpendicular distance between particle to axis. What is the formula for I? mr square. mr square. Okay, this is the formula for moment of inertia. What is the use of moment of inertia? To measure the rotational inertia. Okay, Nana? Mari, it is a scalar quantity. Simply, it have not a specified direction. So, moment of inertia consider as a scalar quantity. Very important notice. SI unit. What is the formula? mr square. Mass unit is kg. Distance unit is meter. Simply kg meter square. This is the SI unit. This is the moment of inertia of a particle. According to this situation, next subheading, moment of inertia of a body. Next I discuss, Nana, moment of inertia of a body. In the situation, Moment of inertia of a body denoted by I. This is the body, Nana. Look here. This is called axis. Axis. Look here, Nana. Axis. పర్లేదు వీడియో తీసినప్పుడు వదిలేసేయండి నానా లుక్ హియర్ నానా దిస్ ఈజ్ ద యాక్సిస్ నానా దట్ ఈస్ ద బాడీ ఒకసారి రీలాగిన వివేక్ రీలాగినవు నానా దిస్ ఈజ్ ద యాక్సిస్ నానా this is the body now. This is the body. Here body consists of large number of particles. This is the particle. This is the particle. This is the particle. This is the particle. Body consists of large number of particles. This body mass have capital M. Look here, this is the axis. Body rotate around the axis. Body rotate around the axis. In the situation, look here. Body mass have capital M. Body consists of large number of particles. Each particle mass m. Okay, Nana? Here m1, m2, m3, m4. Okay? First particle is a distance from axis is r1. Second particle r2. Third particle r3. nth particle Rn. Okay, here moment of inertia of a body is I1. Look here, I2, next I3 and so on, In. Here write plus because moment of inertia is a scalar. That's why I write plus nana. Okay, look here nana. In the situation, look here, we know that what is the basic formula for I for a particle mr square. Look here, I1 first particle m1 r1 square. Next చెప్పాలి ఇదేంటి ప్లస్ m2 r2 square ప్లస్ tell me nana m3 r3 square because the formula for I is mr square. And so on, mn rn square. Okay, in the situation, look here, the question is all particles in the body have equal masses. Simply m1 equal to m2, m2 equal to m3, m3 equal to m4 and so on equal to m. Simply, what is the condition? All particles in the body have same mass. Here write m1 value m1 value m into, tell me, r1 square. m2 value m, tell me, r2 square. m3 value m, tell me, r3 square. And so on, m into rn square. In the right side, the common term is m. Here, look here, r1 square plus, tell me, r2 square plus r3 square plus and so on, rn whole square. What is the formula for moment of inertia? M into. Here now, it write in this manner now. It write in this manner. Here now, look here all of you. I equal to, okay? Here write n into m into, look here all of you, r1 square plus r2 square plus and so on, rn square whole by n. N and cancel to get above step. Please look at. Okay? ఎందుకు ఇలా రాశావు సార్ అంటే, look here. Body consists of two particles, m plus m, 2m. Body consists of three particles, 3m. Body consists of four particles, 4m. Body consists of n particles, nm. Nm is write as total body mass. What is the total body mass? Capital M. Into, look here, r1 square plus r2 square plus and so on, rn square whole by n. Okay? In the situation, what is the discussion today? Moment of inertia of body. In the situation, moment of inertia, mass of the body into, what is the final solution? r1 square, r2 square and so on, rn square whole by n. In the situation, I is the moment of inertia of a body. Here, m. This can be considered as a k square. This can be considered as a k square. That means, that is, what is the k square assumption? K square here, r1 square plus r2 square plus and so on, rn square whole by n. Square other side, what happens? Root. In the situation, this is the k. Here k is called radius of gyration. K is called radius of gyration. What is the formula of radius of gyration? Under root r1 square plus r2 square plus and so on, rn square whole by n. Here n is nothing but the number of particles in the body. Number of particles in the body. 1 minute, Nana. Please wait. Please wait, all of you. Look here, all of you. Look here, all of you. Here now. What is the moment of inertia of a particle? M into r square. Here m indicate mass of the particle, r indicate particle to axis distance, perpendicular distance between axis to particle. What is the formula for moment of inertia of a body? mk square. These two formulas now I discuss. What is the moment of inertia of a particle? mr square. What is the formula for moment of inertia of a body? mk square. In the situation, m indicate mass of the body, k indicate radius of gyration of the body. What is the k nana? K indicate radius of gyration of body. Radius of gyration denoted by k. For example, this is the axis. This is the body. This body is a regular body. That's why center of mass is center. In the situation, perpendicular distance between center of mass of the body to fixed axis of rotation. Simply, this is called radius of gyration. What is the radius of gyration? Perpendicular distance between center of mass of the body to axis of rotation. This total distance is called radius of gyration. అదేంటి సార్, ఇందాక r1 స్క్వేర్ r2 స్క్వేర్ అన్నావుగా అంటే సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ టోటల్ మాస్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? బ్యాలెన్స్. దట్స్ వై ద పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ టు యాక్సిస్, దిస్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ radius of gyration. It is denoted by k. SI unit none. K distance unit is meter. Look here. What is the SI unit of distance? Meter. In the situation here, k how many factors మీద depend అవుతుందో చూద్దాం. K depends upon the first one, position of axis of rotation. Simply position of axis. Look here, this axis moves here. What happens? The k increase. This axis placed here. What happens? The k decrease. Hold it. ఆఫ్ చేసాను, మ్యూట్లో పెట్టు. Of axis of rotation. According to this concept, for example, this axis position change, k increase. This axis position here, k decrease. Simply k depends upon the position of axis, and also k depends upon the distribution of mass. K depends on distribution of mass. How sir? Ante this is the regular body, center of mass center, but I take irregular body. Irregular body means here non-uniform body, center of mass shift heavier mass. What happens? The k increase. Simply here k depends 2 points. One is position of axis of rotation. The second point is distribution of mass of the body. Okay, k. మరి I దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతుందో చూద్దాం. I and moment of inertia. Moment of inertia depends upon the mass of the body, and also depends upon the k. Simply, moment of inertia mainly depends upon the mass of the body and also depends upon the k. K depends upon position of axis and distribution of mass of the body. Simply, I depends upon the three factors. One is depends upon the mass of the body. Second one is position of axis, and third one is distribution of mass. Distribution of mass. Okay, Nana? Bye, Nana. I love you.
Apa, sir?